Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add reflection to your image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, you can click Design Essentials under the apps, of course. Now you can scroll down, then try to find image reflection, realistic reflect or mirror image and design. Here we go. You can add realistic reflections to any designs. Just simply click use in existing design if you already have your design, or you can use in new design here. So let's start with Instagram post aspect ratio. Here you can choose file. Maximum file size is a 5 megabyte. Here we go. This is the preview. You can try below, above, late, or right. So let's try with the above. So you can try the offset, the opacity, and simply add to design. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.